Now, DJ Face on Kanabis Selfi TV. For next Sunday, what's the edition for next Sunday?
Next Sunday, Sunday Breeze, absolute sexy bikini and heels for the ladies. You remember the boat level at 8 p.m. from Pier 1. Selfi TV is a good look. You don't know, but they are represent. Mad thing. Right now, NSC and Syrup busting our head on JB. Mad something.
Alright, so you know that's DJ Face. Just a while ago, everyone went out on the boat ride on Sunday Breeze, half a miles away from shore. So we're glad to be alive. We're glad to reach back on shore, you know what I mean, and reassure and make sure everybody reassure and be sure about next week Sunday on Kanabis Selfi TV. So subscribe and we are watch. Hi, welcome to Kanabis Selfi TV. Prop up your business. So as you see right here, Kanabis Selfi TV live in Mobile right now on the Pier 1, where the Sunday Breeze boat, that's the Treasure Queen. Talking about the Treasure Queen boat. This is the boat where you talk about Sunday Breeze. When you talk about Sunday Breeze, you talk about Treasure Queen. You know what I mean? You know the boat are going to leave 8 o'clock sharp from the Pier 1 to out in the sea. So prepare for a whole heap of excitement, prepare for a whole heap of sea breeze, a whole heap of dancing, a whole heap of flossing, a whole heap of vibes like corresponding and lots more, you know what I mean? Let's see what life is like on the Sunday Breeze boat. We are watch Selfi TV, stay tuned, we are watch. First time
in Jamaica, it's awesome, I love it here.
This is a Sunday Breeze boat ride, so stay tuned for more, we are watch.
Let's go, you ready?
How does it feel to be half a mile away from shore?
You want to load, you understand?
I'm lit like big.
I don't want to.
Where you come from?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Alright, so we come to Brooklyn and Jamaica. Right now we're half a miles away from shore right now. On the Sunday Breeze boat right now, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for more on Kanabis Selfi TV. So we are
Still ride with my day one niggas, I don't really need no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no, no, no. I stay down from day one.
Check in, I don't know Selfi TV, can I big up yourself, everything good. Right up on the boat right here, know the thing turn up, you know. Ladies know the thing boy, you see it?
Welisha! Oh, you look so good, Welisha. Your first time on the boat right now?
This is my second time.
Second time?
Yeah.
So what makes you come this time?
Last week I came here, it was hella fun, so I have to go back.
Wow. So what do you expect tonight from this boat ride?
A lot of fun.
Alright. Which years have you turned this up?
Yeah. I new cap, here sir, I new cap.
Yes. I'm the new cap, I'm taking over.
I'm more than half a mile from Pier 1, but in terms of the closest shore to us, we are about half a mile.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alright, so you know so we deal with it, you know what I mean? So you feel like go further? You don't go further?
No, not really go further, because I don't know where to just
true.
keep the thing alive.
Right.
Close to shore.
Right. Close to shore. Close
We're
to
not
shore.
Cuba.
Close to shore. We're not ready for Cuba yet. Close to shore. And guess or not? You see, me know what make him say that, you know. You know what I mean? So you see, if they want the captain to go out more in the sea, they have to go jump up more money. You know what I mean? You know what I feel say it go. So right now, close to shore right now. If you want to go far, you know you have to go stay tuned. On Kanabis Selfi TV, we are watch. So now. DJ Face on Kanabis Selfi TV. For next Sunday, what's the edition for next Sunday?
Next Sunday, Sunday Breeze, absolute sexy bikini heels for the ladies. Yeah. You remember the boat level 8 p.m. from Pier 1. Selfi TV is a good look.
Yeah.
You don't know, but they are represent. Yeah. Mad thing. Yeah. Right now, NSC and Syrup busting their head on JB. Mad something.
Alright, so you know that's DJ Face. Just a while ago, everyone went out on the boat ride on Sunday Breeze, half a miles away from shore. So we're glad to be alive. We're glad to reach back on shore, you know what I mean, and reassure and make sure everybody reassure and be sure about next week Sunday on Kanabis Selfi TV. So subscribe, and we are watch.